In the chapter surface area and volumes, we will talk about the surface areas and volumes of different type of objects. What we mean by surface area and what we mean by volumes. So, see, if in any object, if this is in 2D dimension, this is a quadrilateral, we know that this part where we can paint or where we can write or where we can draw these lines, this is the area of this part. Similarly, for the objects which are in 3D dimensions like cuboid, cubes, cylinder and cones, in that surface area is the part where as we can paint on. As this is a cuboid, then on this area or on the front of this or on the back of this we can paint or we can write or we can cover it. So it gives you the surface area of that object. And what is the volume? This volume means the capacity of that object, that how much it can contain, how much we can feel in that object. As we have a glass, so how much water we can pour into the glass, that is the capacity of that glass, and we will call it the volume of that object. So first, in the first chapter, we are going to deal with the objects cubes and cuboids. What are the cuboids and what are the cubes? A cuboid is formed with 6 rectangles. If we join 6 rectangles, then it is a cuboid. How? Let us say we have a paper sheet, a plain paper sheet, rectangular side. If in this paper sheet we fold it from the 2 sides like this, so it gives you the height of the sheet. This is going to be an object and we are having a base of this object and now the height of this object. Now I am going to fold it some more like this and this. So let us cut this object now from the corners of the paper. Now when I cut this object, it gives a new base as there is nothing on this side. So it will give you the length of the object, that when you will cut this corner, now from this corner point to this corner point, it gives you the length of this object, and from this corner point to this corner point it gives you the breadth of this object. And as you will fold it and like this, so it will give you the height of the object. So this is the height of object. Now meet these all faces. So here we have a box type structure. Now let us cover it with a lid. As I am going to cover it with a rectangular sheet which is equal to the area of this rectangular sheet or this rectangular base of this object. As the length of this object is, this sheet is equals to the length of this base and as well as the breadth also. So when you will cover it, it gives you the lid of this box. So it will form a cuboid, which is